Macabacus offers a very useful tool for the quick resizing of charts. We can see the stacked column chart here that we created with Macabacus Quick Charts. We can quickly resize it by just going into the Charts dropdown, and then under the Resize To dialog, we have several options. We can resize a chart to an Excel selection, so just a selected range of cells, a PowerPoint selection, meaning a selected shape in PowerPoint, or similarly a selected shape in Word. These two are really handy if you eventually want to include your chart in a PowerPoint or Word file at a specific size. We'll show you how that works in just a little bit. And then you can also set your chart size to any of your standard sizes, which are fully customizable in your Macabacus settings. Let's start with the Excel selection. So we have this chart here. It's in good shape, but what if we wanted it to be quite a bit wider to reflect this full range of cells? We can just select the range of cells, then select the chart with a left click, and Macabacus will actually remember the range of cells that was last selected, and then we can go into Resize To, and then press Excel Selection. And we can see it's remembered that selected range. One can always change it to. And Macabacus asks us if we want to position the chart at the top left corner of the range so that everything's aligned. We can say yes, and there we go. We very quickly resize that chart to the selected range of cells. Now let's walk through how to resize this chart to the same size as a selected shape in PowerPoint. We're just gonna resize it again to make it narrow. And okay, so we're gonna flip over to PowerPoint, and here we have a shape inserted that we inserted with Macabacus Turbo Shapes. One can just select this shape, then with it still selected, we're going to go back to Excel, then just select your chart, then up in Charts, we're gonna go to the same Resize To dialog, then press PowerPoint Selection. The chart has now resized to the same dimensions. Now if we'd like to take this a step further, since we know we have this chart at a correct sizing for our PowerPoint presentation, we can export it to PowerPoint really easily using another feature. Just up here under Export, we can go into Export Excel. Then under Export to PowerPoint, we can export it as a chart. And then our chart has automatically been exported to PowerPoint at the exact sizing that we intended it to be. Awesome. Macabacus makes it really easy to resize charts to specific and targeted dimensions, and we hope you found this one really useful, as we do here at CFI. Thanks for learning with us, and see you all again. Enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content? Then hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you over in the next video.